Acuity versus Calendly. Which one is better? In this video, we'll dive into Acuity and Calendly, two powerful scheduling platforms that help simplify appointment booking and calendar management. Acuity scheduling offers an impressive range of customizations, including branded scheduling pages, payment options, and intake forms, making it ideal for businesses that require extensive client onboarding. It also supports integration with various business tools, making it easy to sync with other apps you use. Calendly, known for its user-friendly interface and intuitive setup, excels in simplifying and scheduling experience for both clients and team members. While Calendly doesn't offer the same level of customization as Acuity, it provides efficient scheduling features for individual and team use, such as round-robin meeting setups and time zone detection. Calendly's integration options and pricing plans are also versatile, suiting both solo entrepreneurs and larger teams. Choosing between Acuity and Calendly boils down to customization needs versus ease of use. If you want in-depth client management and customized scheduling, Acuity is likely the better choice. If straightforward scheduling with minimal setup is your priority, Calendly's simplicity may be ideal.